now I found a really meaty van. So this is the Xtura XT. This is a Mercedes-Benz 4-wheel drive, and it's even got a back shape so that if you're going uphill you don't catch the back of the van. So I could go off-road with it. Let's go. So we found ourselves in the Xtura XT, which is a Mercedes 4x4 base, but it is a Euro Mobil, and it is really, really nice. I'm kind of a little bit smitten with these at the minute. So yeah, so it comes with a full kitchen. It has everything a normal kitchen has, so it has a gas as well as a electric. It has a little tiny sink, which I think is so cute. It has plenty of storage. As everybody knows, I love my storage. So yeah, plenty of storage all the way around. It does have a nice seating area here as well, with 3 big seats, as well as a collapsible table. So the table goes in half, and then or you can fold it out to a big table, which I think is really nice. You do have an amazing fridge freezer. I think we need a new fridge freezer, Andrew. But yes, so you've got a really nice fridge freezer, and then you have your oven up here, which I actually like because you've got it right next to your window, so your smelly food can just go straight out. So because you've got your oven up here, it leaves a lot of space underneath the cabinets, underneath your cooker. This is a huge amount of space, which I'm storage queen. I am loving. So it's got 2 locks on each door and on each cupboard. But look at that space. The bathroom in this van is actually a dual bathroom, so it has a section that you can move to create just a shower, or you can move it back, which will reveal the toilet and the sink. Nice big open doors. You're going to lose me. And then you have a beautiful bathroom. So it does have a back bedroom. The mattress is quite a nice thick mattress. But what I do like is it actually has stairs. So you've got stairs to go up, and then you have your pull-out section to turn it into an actual full-size bed. You do have, once again, plenty of storage all the way around, and then you have an extracting unit, aircon. So you've got an aircon unit up there as well, and plenty of storage underneath the bed because it's got a huge boot at the back, which we'll take you to, and it also has a bit of storage underneath the steps as well. So yeah, nice big back bedroom. So it does have a table, so you can have it as just a single little table, or you can pull it out and it reveals a mega table. It's quite a nice little area, so you've got quite a few seats, with them having 2 captain's chairs as well. It equals at least a good 5 seats. I'm quite surprised with the amount of space in such a small vehicle.